How to fix Swiggy app multiple accounts detected. So, since Swiggy uses device and account verification to stop fraud and misuse, like coupon abuse and whatnot, you will be getting this warning if you've logged in into two or more Swiggy accounts on the same phone. You've used one device to access different accounts. There's cache login data or temporary app error, and maybe you're using a VPN, emulator, or cloned app that confuses Swiggy's system. So the first things first, you can try logging out all Swiggy accounts. So if you use multiple accounts, log out of each one. Then try going back into one single account. You can also try clearing in cache and data. You can find this directly in your settings. You can try reinstalling the app as well after you've done this. As long as you have your accounts have and your details, then you should be able to reinstall the app safely. So it will reset device identifiers that may have triggered the multiple accounts detection. So again, log in with only one account. You can also try disabling VPNs or app cloners like dual apps and whatnot. Then, if none of those work, you can also try contacting Swiggy support. So go to Swiggy help, chat with support, or you can email them directly. Explain the situation clearly, like this, like, "Hi, I'm getting a multiple accounts detected without doing anything as well." You can ask to have help your account reset or your device ID, and they can manually reset your device flag or remove duplicate identifiers from the system if the issue is seen as viable. But anyways, those are most of the methods to try to help you with this problem, so hopefully one of these can work. And if the information of this video can help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.